Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be doing our November B&M haul. Now this haul is very random. It has Christmas bits, it has cleaning bits. They are literally the only two products or two types of products that I got. I'm still yet to find any home decor that I'm really loving that I want to pick up. I just think our B&M / Homesavers is just really not doing it this year. All of the stuff that everyone has been getting, that you've been seeing on like YouTube videos, that all the like nice mugs for Christmas, all the nice decorations, we just don't have it yet. And I don't know whether it's we don't have it yet or we're not getting it at all, but especially their mugs, we don't have the mugs that everyone else has been getting. So I don't have any decor for you today. However, I do have some Christmas cleaning bits, and then I also have some Christmas wrapping bits that I want to show you. So if you like this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, and let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna get the kind of like boring two cleaning bits out of the way, and the first one is this. Now you're definitely going to kick off this video after seeing this, but I promise you it does get better. I picked up an extra large pack of the Ariel all-in-one pods, and these are the ones with the Lenore Unstoppables. I know you can get different versions of these, but the ones with the Lenore Unstoppables just make your clothes smell unreal, and I feel like they washes them a lot better. I find these are the best for stain removal in my opinion, and I also think they are the best for scent, and it's with the Lenore Original Unstoppable. I just have a weird thing about the Lenore Unstoppables, that they're going to break my washing machine, yet somehow a plastic pod seems a lot better to me. I don't know why, but these are the ones that has 43 washes. So yeah, I still have absolutely loads left. I have already started to use them, so yeah. Then the next cleaning washing product that I pick up, this one's actually an interesting one. It's the Lenore Frosted Eucalyptus fabric softener. This is the Mrs. Hinge collab. I have been waiting for this to come out in our B&M store for ages. The Frosted Eucalyptus scent is just so nice for winter. It's really fresh. It really does smell like eucalyptus, so if you're not into that scent, you really won't like this. I'm yet to get the rest of the range. I'm hoping that my B&M will have it very quickly. If I love the scent of it this much, I will be getting all my products in it. The background is so wintry, so I absolutely love it. But honestly, I've been using this. My washing has smelled amazing. My washing has come out perfect, and yeah, I love this so much, and I can't wait to pick up the rest of the range. Another really boring, like really boring cleaning product that I picked up was the Flash Speed Mop. This is the starter kit because I don't have the actual speed mop yet. So it comes with dry pads, wet cloths, and 2 refills. The reason I got this, we have a mop for downstairs and it is absolutely disgusting, so we don't really use it that much. And then we also have a mop on, you know, one of those Roombas. We call her Colette. I don't know if it's weird to name your Hoover / mop, but she has like a wet pad on her, so she cleans downstairs. But for upstairs in our bathrooms from floor to ceiling are tiles, and I haven't been able to get up and clean them, and I just thought this would be the perfect thing to clean your bathroom with. If you are someone that has a bathroom that has tiles, I find I get a lot of wet streak marks on it, so I decided to pick this up. I'm excited to give it a go. I'm actually going to clean the bathroom today and clean my room today, so I will be trying this and I'll let you know how I get on with it. I'm so confused though, why do you need a dry mop? I don't understand that. It says to trap and lock dust, dirt and hair, but I'm like, do you not do that with a Hoover? So I really need to research into how to use this, but it was only €12. I'm actually really excited to give this a go, and hopefully it doesn't leave any wet streak marks on my tiles in my bathroom, because I actually hate it so much. Now luckily our tiles are like a light kind of like beige colour, so it's not too bad, but I still notice it. And you know when you notice something, that's it, that's the end. And then the last cleaning product that I picked up, it's actually Christmas themed, is the Flash Sparkling Home Spray Wipe Done Apple Spice Scent. So I got this scent because the spice plum scent, I really wasn't feeling it. It didn't smell that great to me. It was very like juice smell, whereas this one I really liked it. It smelled really good and really fresh. I'm actually going to keep this one in the upstairs because I have the like October autumn spray wipe done spice pumpkin, I think that's what it's called, and I don't want to open a new bottle downstairs just because it's a new season. So I'll keep this for upstairs and use it in the bathrooms. It says you can use it on cabinets, floors, sinks, taps, stainless steel, tiles, ceramic surfaces, chrome, glass mirrors, glass and plastic shower doors, baths and toilets. So yes, this will be kept upstairs, and I just got it because again it was the Apple Spice limited edition. I actually burst one of these open in B&M all over the floor. It was really embarrassing, but thank god it was just me and my mum in the store, and then the worker who was there, I just was like, I'm so sorry. And he literally word for word turns around and goes, sure, shit happens. But yeah, I picked this up because we did need one upstairs anyways. We don't have one of these upstairs, so I'm very excited to use it. I'm actually gonna use it today straight after this video. Okay, so then moving on to Christmas products. These products, it's mainly wrapping, except I have one Christmas decoration thing, and it's not even a Christmas decoration thing, but it is. I got some lights for the tree. So these are the 100 warm white ultra bright LED chaser lights. It says it was £8, but that's like the equivalent to like €10. Tree theme that I'm going for this year is champagnes, golds, whites with a tiny bit of red. Like I'm talking tiny bit of red. So I wanted the warm white because I just think it looks more warm. It makes me feel a lot cozier, so that's why I went for these this year, and I needed 100 of them because my tree is 6 foot, so I needed a lot of lights. So basically myself and my mum are swapping rooms, actually end of this month, because little man is coming. Mum just thought it was a good idea for me to have the ensuite with the baby. I actually didn't want to move, but then the more we thought about it, the more myself and Joseph thought about it, it's probably better. And mom moves out I say very soon. She moves out like end of next year, start of the year after, so we were going to move into that room anyways. It's the main bedroom, but it's smaller than my room, which I don't understand. But yeah, so I'm actually moving into that room, and I wanted to move in there before I put up my Christmas decorations because I didn't want to have to move all my Christmas decorations then. So you'll actually be seeing me in a new room very soon with a new, it'll kind of be the same backdrop but kind of a new backdrop. So when I go to decorate my room for Christmas, for winter, you'll be seeing a totally new room, which is so weird. Yeah, going on tangent, got some Christmas lights for the tree. Okay, so then I got more wrapping paper. I've completely now changed my theme of wrapping paper. Do you remember in my last B&M haul I picked up the packs, like the sets that you could get for wrapping, and there was one that was white with like different characters on it. That one's actually now Mam's. I've given it to her, I pawned it off to her. That's her Christmas wrapping for this year. And I went with these. The reason I actually got drawn into it was because of this wrapping paper. So I don't know if you can see. So this wrapping paper has like different types of leaves, berries, holly on it. And then I also got this one which has basically more leaves but more reds and creams. And this is what basically the theme of my wrapping is going to be this year. It's going to be greens and creams and whites and reds. I'm going to use the other pack that I got from B&M, the red, you know, the red set. I'm going to use that. So I picked up these. I really like them. I just thought it was very Christmassy. It was very just cozy and warm, and I really liked it, so I got them. To match them, to sticker them, because like I said in my last video, I have a lot of presents to wrap and I have a lot of people to buy for it. So I actually picked up more stickers because, again, do you remember in my last video I picked up the 100 pack of stickers because it was €1.50 for a 100 pack, and I kind of freaked out. And then when I got home I realized they don't actually match any of my wrapping. So that was such a stupid idea of me, but two, that's now going to mum again. So I picked up the correct ones that I want to put on, so it matches the wrapping paper. It actually matches this wrapping paper here. It has like all the kind of these forestry type things. I just thought these would be perfect, and again they were £1.50. and look, this is what the wrapping's gonna look like. I actually only just caught that there. So basically this is the green wrapping that I showed you, and then that's the tags. So that is what my wrapping is going to look like this year. This one has festive wishes, have yourself a merry little Christmas, Christmas wishes, season's greetings, Christmas joy, may your day be merry and bright, warm wishes. So yeah, there's loads on there, and I'm really happy I got those. And then last but not least, I picked up 2 gift bags because I needed them for Christina and Andrea. So I just picked up 2 ones. Again, literally matches the wrapping paper perfectly. I got one that says Christmas wishes, and it just looks like this. I needed quite big ones because, like, I mean, the girls go crazy. And then I picked up this one as well, which says Merry Christmas, and again it has the kind of like foliage. So I just thought these were super cute, and they were £1.25. So yeah, So guys, I know it's been such a short, quick video, but I wanted to get this video up because I've decided that every month you're going to have a new B&M haul of bits that I've picked up. So yeah, you're also going to get a winter one coming, well, this basically we're in winter, but a December one coming as well. And then you're also getting a Christmas decor haul for me very, very soon as well. I'm going to do that at the end of the month, just before I put up my tree, because I just don't see a point in showing it now and then not showing you my tree decorating. But yeah, that is everything I picked up so far from B&M. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, and let me know if there's any bits that you have seen in B&M/Homesavers over the past couple of weeks that you think I should pick up, that you think that I need, that you think will go with my Christmas decor for this year. And also, if you're in Ireland and if you've been to Homesavers, please let me know if you've seen any of the mugs that have been basically out of stock and don't exist in Ireland, because I really want to pick my hands up, pick my hands up. I really want to I really want to get my hands on / pick up the bits that we see that the UK B&Ms have. So yeah, so guys, that is the end of today's video. I will see you in my next video. Have a great rest of your week, and I will see you on Sunday for a brand new video. Bye.